Hello, everybody. Today, our topic will be a very interesting topic about birds, that is, bird migration. Part first. It is a very interesting topic, and you will enjoy hearing and seeing the slides of this topic. I am Dr. Preeti Mathur, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SPC, Government College, Ajmer. Now, in this topic, we will study about migration fun facts of birds. They are very beautiful and colorful birds in the environment. We'll also study about migration flyways and how did bird migration routes become established. We'll also study about bird migration terminology. And we'll also study and throw some light on why do birds migrate. That is very important. Now, why do birds migrate? The reasons are complex and not fully understood. But a simple explanation is food and safe place to breed. Birds which breed in the summer in the extreme north, such as the Arctic, benefit from an abundance of food as plants and insect life flourish in the long daylight hours, and because few large permanent predators can survive the harsh winter. Many birds that breed in the Arctic simply lay their eggs on the ground. Being able to fly, they can avoid the harsh winter conditions and be the first to arrive to enjoy the summer benefits. This is the pic of the western sandpiper bird. Now, the another point that why do birds migrate is their behavior. The behavior is inherited. However, birds will not migrate in the absence of certain physiological environmental cues. In the late summer, the decrease in sunlight stimulates the migrating bird's pituitary gland to produce the hormone prolactin and its adrenal gland to produce the hormone corticosterone. These hormones, in turn, cause the birds to accumulate large amounts of fat just under the skin, providing them with enough energy for the long migratory flights. The hormones also cause the birds to become restless just prior to migration. The exact time of departure, however, is dictated not only by the decreasing sunlight and hormonal changes, but also by such conditions as the availability of food and the onset of cold weather. In this slide, you can see beautiful birds, and these are the common migratory birds seen in India. Their names, first of all, you can see the cranes, then European roller, then black-tailed godwit is there, and white stork, and cuckoos, and common hawk. So these are some birds which I have named, and you can see their photographs in this slide. Now, the migration fun facts. The Arctic term flies a round trip that can be as long as 20,000 miles per year. For the Arctic to the Antarctic, and back. The sandhill and whooping cranes are both capable of migrating as far as 2,500 miles per year, and the barn swallow more than 6,000 miles. How do they keep going? So, some birds store a special high energy fat before the trip. Soaring raptors, for example, may not eat for several weeks as they migrate. Other species eat along their migration routes. How high can they fly? Higher the Mount Everest, bar-headed geese have been recorded flying across the Himalayas at 29,000 feet. Other species seen above 20,000 feet include the whooper swan, the bar-tailed godwit, and the mallard duck. You can note here that birds fly this high to reach their destinations efficiently. From radar studies, scientists know that birds can change altitudes to find the best wind conditions. To fight a headwind, most birds stay low, where ridges, trees, and buildings slow the wind. To ride a tailwind, they get up high, where the wind is as fast as possible. Now, migration facts. Of the 852 bird species in the United States, 778 are migratory. 300 species migrate to Latin America. 19 species of shorebirds migrate 8,000 miles one way. And 34 species of wood warbles and 22 of the 29 species of waterfowl are shared between United States, Canada, and Mexico. Now, about the migration flyways, I can tell you that the major wintering areas for North American migrating birds are the southern United States and Central America. 4 major flyways south are the Atlantic Flyway, the Mississippi Flyway, the Central Flyway, and the Pacific Flyway. So now, viewers, this is the first part of my lecture, and in the another part, we'll discuss another important points regarding birds and various facts. So I stop here. Thanking you all. Again, I'm repeating my name, Dr. Preeti Mathur, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SPC, Government College Ajmer. Thank you.